I'm Corey.
I'm Jillian.
And we're
living in
Diz. You know what's behind us. You know you want to see what's inside. Without any further ado, we're at the Disney Character Warehouse. Here on Violent Road. There's two of them. We think this is the best one. Let's see what we see inside. We have no idea. We haven't gone in. It's been a couple of months. Let's go! Starting right away, we get some $5.99 Starbucks. Epcot 35th mugs, $5.99. You guys have to remember, every time you see mugs in Disney, you're talking $16.99 to $22.99. So that's a good deal. $4.99 for this visor. Can you believe that? I don't know what the original price was on this. 20 bucks. I like visors, but my head will get burned. Do I look good in this visor? Comment below. Comment below.
No.
Do I look good in this visor?
You need to have a bit of hair for that.
A little bit of hair for a visor?
Yeah.
Otherwise a visor doesn't make any sense?
No, it really doesn't.
Darn. There's a whole Epcot 35th anniversary display. You'd have to have a strong tree for that, but that's heavy. I like it though. Look at that. $4.99.
That is heavy.
Epcot 35th for $3.99. Magnets. And this is a different cup. You'd probably have to think about it. Like, what does each one of these represent?
Epcot, I believe. Like, it just looks like the thing. Well, not really. Well, yeah. And then this.
I mean, it's got to all represent something. It looks like it repeats, but man, there's a lot of different ones there. Comment below if you think you know some of those. $13.99 is the regular price. I don't see a discount price.
What's the price here?
I don't see a discount price on it.
Oh.
Probably $5.99, I'm guessing. Elena of Avalor has her own display.
Yes, look at Mom helping out.
Yeah, she likes to help out in the merch. I like these. Disney's done these across the board now for movies and TV shows. They've even gone back retro with Star Wars. They've gone a lot with Star Wars, so they dropped that.
Wow. Oops.
But these are cool. You know, main characters included with certain costumes. So these are pricey. These are usually like 20 or so. $7.99 here, yeah. You've got a guitar and a sword. I have to say, I mean, look at Elena with the sword. Anybody watching that has kids that watch this, I apologize because our kids are a little past Disney Junior now, so I didn't know she wielded a sword.
You didn't?
No, from $26.99 though
Wow.
to $12.99. $24.99 for this dress, and you know, the better quality dresses in Disney Springs or Disney World of Disney go for about $65. Good discounts.
All right, man.
Show the wands. Got a lot of princess wands apparently on clearance. Assorted princess wands, $7.99. We've got Snow White, Rapunzel. Merida even has one. Wow. Tiana, Tinkerbell, Belle has one. Every princess gets a wand.
Except for Mulan and
What do you think about
Pocahontas, and
that?
like not every princess.
Well, more princesses have wands in this store than princesses have wands. I think that's everybody. Let's move on.
Wait, look at this. Ooh.
Oh, and they do light up.
I think Jillian had
I failed to show you they light
I
up.
did. I used to have that.
Oh, Jillian had this one back in the day.
Oh my god.
And I'm sure this lights up green. Oh, they all light up blue. It doesn't matter which. Ooh, we have a Mulan item.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
A Mulan alert. Princess Mulan fan.
Look, that's so cool. And it's the 20th thing. 20th
Is it the
anniversary.
It's the 20th anniversary of Mulan?
Oh my gosh,
Wow.
that's so cool.
$3.99 from $14.99. With a little gold tassel back down there at the bottom.
That's so cool. We're filming here, man.
Oh, I saw that. Got it?
Yes.
Here's another, I don't know what they call them, like figurine play sets. So, we've got the Zootopia one. Zootopia keeps popping up. I mean, yes, this is the Character Warehouse, but I think Zootopia is going to be popping up in Animal Kingdom sooner than you know. That's kind of what's in the air. So stay tuned to that.
Here we go.
All right.
Taking me out of the shot. Sorry.
Here's another figurine playset. A Frozen one. Now, this is not regular Frozen. This is Olaf's Frozen Adventure. Which is why they look a little bit different. See? You got the troll. Elsa has a different dress. Look at the dress that Anna's wearing. We did see Olaf's Frozen Adventure, but it was like once. So I don't really recall. $9.99 on that one. We have some Dorbs on sale. Jacob and I did a review of some Dorbs in Tomorrowland, Magic Kingdom, a few months ago. $7.99, normally $29.99. And a Luke and a Leia. They are cute. They're not quite pop figures, but just another thing to collect from Funko. And there's Leia.
And then we have Funkos over here.
$7.99 on that.
Figures.
Oh look, they have an L3. If you're familiar with Solo, the Star Wars story. Look at this custom cut pennant. Epcot 35th with Figment on it. See how they kind of cut that out on the sides? And a button and a bumper sticker. If you have a bumper sticker on your car, comment below. That was certainly a thing of the 80s and the 70s. You don't see bumper stickers very much. The magical price on this is $5.99. It's Coronation Day!
It's Coronation Day.
Yeah, look at that. That is the dress that Anna wore for her Coronation Day. There are a lot of dresses here right now. You're going to want to speed over here. Get in that car. Warm it up. Get that plane on the runway because there are a lot of quality dresses here, more than I've ever seen. And these, I think, are the quality ones, guys. You don't want to just jump for the cheaper ones because of the price. I mean, if that's what you need to do under regular price circumstances, that's fine. But the ones we're showing you here are the higher quality Disney dresses. $24.99 for Merida.
Lighting's weird, so it appears darker, but...
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. What was that over there I saw? There is a Mulan. I am shaking. And there's one. There's one. What? Don't ever do that again.
Look at this. Mulan.
Wow.
Look at that. It would not fit Jill, I don't believe.
I'm jealous of every child that wears that. I'm jealous.
Wow. Wow. Hey, things are starting to pop up. We're bringing her to the forefront. Hey, we have Rapunzel.
Oh, ooh. Wait.
Look at these photo frames. You take your picture with Photo Pass, and you can slap it in here. $7.99 from $19.99. And we have a Nightmare Before Christmas mug with Jack and Sally. The Pumpkin King and the Pumpkin Queen. As suspected, we have a few t-shirts from the recent holiday. The Magical Holiday. We have a lot of videos on that. All the Magical Holiday stuff that Disney put out. All the merch. Because we are the merch kings. And queens, if you talk about Jill.
And Mom.
So, but we like the artwork. We really like the artwork that they did this year. Look, we have some more. Look at that one. I did not expect to see this so soon, even though it's a Christmas clearance item.
That's the thing I was
We do have a
wearing.
video in which Jillian put this on and danced around for all of us, all our entertainment.
It was for the video. It was embarrassing, but oh well.
And it's on the thumbnail, so
It is, and I was looking like
if
a
you're on our
dork.
channel, scoot down and you can find this video from November, I think it is. But it was cute. So right now, this thing, let's see how much it was. It was $64.99. It is now $12.99.
Wow.
How can you say no to this? Look, there's more. $12.99 from $64.99 on this mini reindeer. You said you wanted to get into more dresses.
Not that one.
Oh look, it's the Tiki Room. $7.99 on the Tiki Room.
What did you say?
What'd you say?
Tiki, 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 tiki.
Did you guys see that in the park?
No,
You didn't go to the Christmas party. You wouldn't see it. They pulled them out.
because I was too busy trying to look for Mulan stuff.
Yeah, look at that. Very Merry Christmas Party down on the sleeve. $11.99.
Cute.
Iron Man mug.
Yes.
Normally $20. There's no price. It's probably $5.99. Whoa.
Oh.
What is that?
They're tea sets.
Oh. $24.99 mini tea sets.
Got a Snow
Frozen,
White,
Pirates,
Pirate, and
Snow White.
Frozen.
Look at this little find.
I love that, honestly.
Look at that.
It's so cute.
It was almost $60. Well, $54.99. They didn't mark it down a whole lot for this type of store, but it's $29.99. It'd go good with a costume.
That is a costume. Looks
Right.
like,
Yeah.
well, I mean, it's like a dress type. I don't know how to explain it. It just looks like a costume, but it's a dress. So
$2.99.
that's all you need
That's
in
true
Florida.
too. $2.99. Star Wars socks. Those are pretty cool. You can get the Jedi Training Trials of the Temple t-shirts here,
That's so small.
which we've never seen. They have other sizes, all kid sizes. $9.99 from $19.99. $3.99.
You already showed those in a previous
I
video.
don't, I've never seen these before. There are tons of clothes here, like always. So we're not going to show everything, but I try to show some of the things that I think are different and neat. And I think that's pretty cool. I haven't seen that.
That is cool.
Yeah, The Incredibles. This is kind of the art theming that they did for the summer. Incredible Summer. So that's $9.99. It's the last one. I like that. Simulated patches, prints. See, you get this one right here. That sure is swell.
That was a little rusty.
Hot dog. I got a little bit of a cold.
No, you don't.
Sure I do.
No, you don't. That is cute.
Look at the artwork.
And it has like glasses, the D for Disney,
Yeah.
phone, bow, headphones, Cinderella's castle, coffee cup.
Coffee. $19.99 from $38.99.
Wow.
So there's assorted ones. There's a mini. I guess that's the carousel. I don't know.
What is that?
I don't know. Random. You can always count on the Character Warehouse to have items from Disney cruises. So this is new stuff too. A scrapbook. $10.99.
Very
That's cheap. Yeah. Normally $29.99. And a magnet set. Some of the cruises, the themed cruises. That's a nice frame right there.
It is.
Yeah. $11.99 from $29.99.
I'm tired. Meh.
They have more ride frames. Rock and Roller Coaster. See, these are cool because they're always about $16.99. I'm not seeing a clearance price on these.
They also have Everest.
But they have Everest.
I really like that.
To me, this would be a cool thing to put in the living room. All the
Yes.
different rides. with
Tower
some
of
our
Terror.
photos.
They have three:
What do you think?
Everest, Rock and Roller Coaster, and Tower of Terror.
$7.99. Yeah. This was more from the Mickey American stuff for 4th of July throughout the parks. That's a nice quality frame right there. It's heavy too. $9.99. Cell phone cases, ears, and these. I don't know what these are. These look like they would hold candles. And they're $12.99. Edna Mode mug, who you can now meet at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We will show you that next week, as we will be there to show you all the new things that have unfolded at Hollywood Studios, Pixar related.
Have these cool mugs. It'll focus.
Emojis,
안녕하세요.
$5.99.
What is that?
What is this item?
Oh, so we're gonna do those now.
What is this?
What the flip?
What happened to Mickey's arm?
I think you're supposed to put it like around your neck or something.
Maybe. It's my boy Mickey.
No, like, because it has Velcro on it.
Oh.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, Mickey loves me. Look at that. The final product for today is the monorail bag.
Beautiful.
Look at this. Look at this. Shaped like a monorail. It's the
It's
red
got wheels.
monorail. It has wheels. I mean, this is sick. Look at that. And
Oh,
it
it's like
has
a
handle.
suitcase.
It has a handle.
It's like a mini suitcase.
Boom.
Oh,
It's like a mini suitcase.
feel it. Walk with
Wheel
it.
it, look.
See ya.
Hey. Hola.
Hola.
That's hello
Oh.
in Spanish. In
Look at
Espanol.
that.
Espanol.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at these weird
Mama
pants.
has something to show. I guess that's not the final product. Look at this, $14.99.
Regular 45.
Regularly $45.
those
High
feel like
quality,
they're
thick patches,
Thick.
vintage.
Thick with 4 C's. Oh my gosh.
Here we go. Here we go. So, that's our trip to the Character Warehouse for February. It's already February
February 2nd, I believe.
2019. Lots of Christmas stuff there, more than maybe I expected. Just because it is after Christmas, but just because you thought a lot of it would be gone by now. I really got a kick out of the fact that we saw the Mickey dress that you wore in
That's
one of
an
our
ugly
previously
sweater.
videos. Ugly sweater kind of thing, but very cute. You were surprised to see some Mulan stuff. I thought was pretty neat.
I was, but even though last year was her 20th anniversary, I really didn't see much of anything at all, and that made me sad because, I mean, she's so underrated, and the fact that it's her 20th anniversary and she barely got anything, where
Right.
other characters get like the whole, like a whole store of it.
We're making the charge. We're bringing Mulan to the top. Let's go! So that's it for now. I didn't see anything that I liked enough to buy, but if you are into those princess dresses, this is the time. If there's ever been a time to come down and buy
It's
dresses,
now.
it is now. No lie. Those won't be here probably by the end of the week. So for now, I'm Corey,
I'm Jillian.
and we're living in this.